Well, as you can see here, I got the vibe, and well, it's time to do some work to it because the wife's got a checklist thing that need to be done, and I got to get it done. And one of them is this right here. This winter it got cold, and it happened to fall a couple times. So it's the first thing I'm going to do because I want her mad at me for this hitting her. Good as new. That's great. This car locks itself, and keys are in it. Got him. It's never worked that good before. It's never gone up on its own. And yeah, I'm losing my voice. So there's a good improvement. The wife's gonna love that. Now, oh, there it still is, but we're at 143,000 miles now on this car. I've changed a lot of things on it. One of the things I have not done yet is the cool packs. Well, it's time. And now looking without this cover on, it may be time for a valve cover gasket, which I've already ordered a bunch of parts for the car, so that'll be on the next one. It's not losing enough oil to make any real difference between oil changes yet, but eventually I have to keep a note to change said valve cover gasket. Now these nice new looking ones are going in. So hopefully, not really, should have more pep, but really mainly look for the gas mileage side of it. Now that I got the cools on, next thing is the belt and tensioner, because I don't know the last time it's ever been changed. We put a few miles on it, so figured it's time to change it now before anything happens. Well, I'll wait until something happens, and I probably won't have to change it again for a long time. So we can change this. Looks like it's going to be hard to fit my hands in there, but I'll manage. We'll get that bolt in a second. So there's the old one. Pretty well worn out. This belt just wants to go wherever it wants to go still, and it's giving me issues. That was a pain. I kind of understand those reels and memes about why you do this, Toyota. That belt is a pain. That's got to be one of the worst belts I've ever changed before. Well, I got the other side done already. But thing is that she got a nail in this tire, screw actually. Took it down to a shop. Got it patched. Only one that would patch it in town. It's right in the center. Someone else told her, no, you can't patch it. Can't plug it. Can't patch it. Lies. Try selling new tires. So you down to another shop, they patched it. No problem. Held up fine. Except for the fact apparently they didn't tighten down the lug nut very well, because that came off way too damn easy. But I mean, I don't like to torque them down too much, but it was nothing. So it needed brakes. The brakes always made noise. Obviously, the back's still good, but the fronts are actually still got a lot of life left too. So I don't know, but now I'm just going to go ahead and change this out anyway. So at first she said, you know, she'll stop better in the rain. I said stop driving in the rain. Simple. That didn't work. So I figured, why not try a set of slotted and drilled rotors? And see what happens. So I just got done doing the braking procedure, and you know what? I think they work better. Can't complain. Granted, the pads I took off are still pretty good, so rotors seem fine, but now I won't know if it stops better in the rain until it rains. And it's springtime, so pretty soon. Now I did take care of the honey-do list on the Vibe. Brakes, replace checked. Ignition coils, better start. It is accelerating better. Should get better fuel mileage. We'll find out later. Lift support in the back, that was a big thing, because yeah. Now the next thing I need to do is, she's upset because of hail damage from last year. Understandable, because this thing didn't have any hail damage in it. The hood's the worst part. Now I am on the search for a discontinued SLP fiberglass hood that then I'll have paint to match. But that's probably going to be a while until I find one, so oh well. Takes time. I hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, thanks for watching.